Hello friend, welcome back. So let me ask you a question. Do you know how to check like the version of our Xcode? It's here, right? Yeah, here. Click that about Xcode. So we are using the latest version of Xcode, 12.1. That's the latest one. Okay, and what about the programming language? We are using Swift. Yeah, this Swift is the language, programming language we use. What's the version? Um, what is the current version we are using? How do we, right, check it? We can go to here, click the project. Then there's a bunch of, right, tabs here. This one, build setting. Near the bottom here, Swift language version. Yeah, so those are old versions. Currently we are using the latest Swift 5. Actually it should be Swift 5.3. And what is our Mac OS version of our computer? We are using here, click this guy about the Mac. We are using version 11, okay, Mac OS. Even though it's just beta, but I think very soon it will the final non-beta, right? The normal version will be released 11 Mac OS Big Sur. Okay, just to make sure we are developing our Swift code on Mac OS 11 and using Xcode 12 here, Xcode 12, and with the programming language Swift 5.3, 5.3, and okay, great. So what we did last time is we changed the background color of the game board to blue, but we have a problem here, like that, right? When we change the background, change the window size, the game board, right? The game board, those 42 circles don't follow. That's fixed it. So we'll do it, right, step by step, using some mathematical skills we have. Okay, so to make our calculation easier, let's change back the background from the rounded rectangle to the normal rectangle. Okay, so let's comment out this line and just use a normal sharp angled rectangle. NS Bezier path rec, right? This guy. Enter, opening parenthesis, X. So yeah, same thing we use. Oh, sorry about that. We don't need that. We can because we can put bounds here. Then dot fill, right? Run it. Why do we do that? We want to, right, arrange. We want to divide the the blue area to 6 rows and 7 columns. Okay, so let's draw some lines for that here. Let's draw some lines. Okay, so let grid equals NS Bezier has, oh no, so we'll draw like we'll draw 5 horizontal lines, right, to make 6 rows out. So grid dot move to point x, where is the x? So we need to figure out the right the cell side. Oh, cell side is that one. Yeah, let's use another number, another name. We want to draw, we want to divide divide the background blue rectangle to 6 evenly divided rows. So let's use something like cell width. Okay, so let cell width cg float equals, right, bounds dot height divided by 6. Let's define a constant for these 6. So this is our rows int, and yeah, it's 6. Okay, so since we are here, let's define columns for our game board is 7, right? So here we'll divide width. Okay, so cell width, so this we should use the columns, and here is width. Sorry about that. And that's the width. Okay, so because this guy is the data type for that is int, right? But this guy is cg float, is a decimal number, so Xcode doesn't allow to mix the different data type to do the calculation. So we'll change this to 7.000, something like that. Yeah, we don't change this one to int because we need the cg float data type here, right? So luckily we can do the auto fix here like that. So now this is the cell width. Okay, now we can get our cell height cg float bounds dot height, right, divided by cg float, this time rows. Now we can use that to draw a grid. So let's draw the first line here. So x will be let's draw the vertical line first. Okay, so like that, x will be 1 times cell width, and y will be 0, right? Start from there, and line 2, and as it's already there, and as point x. Now the end of, we'll draw a vertical line here, so it will be bounds dot height, right, from here. Then y, no, vertical line is like that, y is bounds dot height, like that. Now let's give a try and a stroke. let's use a red color. Okay, so color little, color little, dot set stroke. Let's use our red color and try it. Command R. Oh, it's here. I don't like this color. Let's use a lighter one. Yeah, I think white is good. Yeah. So what if we move that? Yeah, you see, it will follow, right? So this is, it divide the whole background by 1/7. Okay. So let's use our for loop. Okay. To draw, we need 6 of them. Okay. So for loop we can use like column, right? Here is 0 dot dot, that's the columns. That's so 0, we don't need 0, so we can start from 1 to 6. Yeah, so let's see, copy and paste here. So we'll replace this one thing using column, right? Like that. Run it. Okay, we need to fix the mismatching of the data type. Oh, we don't want to change this to int. We want to change this to CG float. So highlight it, opening parenthesis, then go back to here, CG float, like that. Okay, so we can make a copy of that and put it here. Now run it again. Yeah, so this is our reference. Oh, that's why. Stop it. What is this guy? Stop it. Okay, Command R. Yeah, very good. So we have 6 lines like that. Okay, now let's add another 5 horizontal lines. 4 row, right? In starting from 1, because yeah, we are drawing separators. So rows. Grid dot move to point x. The first line is here, so x is 0, y will be the first, right? Oh, row times cell height, like that. And grid dot line 2 x. Okay, this will be the width, right? The whole width. So bound dot width. Y is same. So row times cell height. That. So automatically fix it. Nope, we don't want this. We want to make this one CG float. CG float. That. Highlight, opening parenthesis, go back, and CG float, like that. So run it. Now you see this grid. So we need to put all our circles right into those grid, those cells. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes. And I think we can put this one into a function like that. Make a copy and put it at the end here. We can use private keyword to make sure this function is used only inside this this file, okay, or this class function. Oh, now there's no, you see, no autocomplete. So the trick is do this first. Draw grid. Now we can put the private here. Yeah. Parameter, no. We don't need that. And we can paste the thing here. We don't need this line. Draw grid. Yeah, this is not part of the grid. Okay, so now yeah, so this part will be, let's put it here. Draw grid. Yeah, run it. Okay, so yeah, we'll continue in our next video, right, to put all the circles in place. Now before we end, let's make a commit. Git status missing x run. What happened? Git status invalid active developer path. Okay, I'll try to figure out this and I'll let you know, right, in next video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.